you see here, you can see the water flow from this tap. You can also see there's a red ball things like that's going to be a valve to limit the water flow into this heater. So we have the water coming in from this pipe into the heater. It will be heated in this U-shaped tube, and the steam will going from this up to the top of the coffee maker. So if you have a look on the other side, so you can see clear. So this is the top. So that's the pipe, the steam coming out from there, and then to this, and then dripped to the coffee you put in there. So you also would be able to see there's the hole at the bottom over there. Here we can see the hole. So the left side is the hole, and in the middle, so we have a pipe coming out, and this is the hole, the water going down through the hole and then coming back from that white plastic bag, so that the steam coming out and dripped to the ground coffee, and you have this jug to catch all the coffee in there.